Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be talking about the Pearson VUE portal, so from where we can book the examinations for the certifications, various certifications. And as I will be describing my experience also, so as I have used this portal for my various UiPath certifications. So you can start with the logging into the Pearson VUE portal. So you just, for the UiPath specific I'm telling, so you just need to enter the pearsonvue.com/us/en/uipath.html. And if you go to the main page also, there you can find like various other technologies also for which the certification is provided. So I have navigated to the UiPath page. So here you can see it's showing you the different certifications which are available currently, and these are its various information. So I'll just quickly start with the login, and this is the already logged in page. Okay, so my session is still active. So this is the page like once I have logged in into it, and yeah, this is the main dashboard, and this is my profile. All the other links are there, all the exam history which I have given till now. So to book a new exam or the new certification, I just need to click the view exam button, and there you can see you have the search bar where you can find the exam. You just type the exam or the certification name, and that will pop up here. So otherwise also, like, there are the various available certification exams which are there, so it is showing the list of it. So for example, I'll just show this one, the first one, which is UiPath Agentic Automation Associate exam. So let's see, like, if we book it, so how, what the steps will be coming up and how we can proceed with all that. So I will just click the exam name, and here you can see you will be having three options. So till now, like, again, these two options only I was able to use and had the info about. So the first one is the in-person at a test center. So basically for this one, if you choose this option, so you have to go to the institute or the office where the Pearson VUE center will be. So in each location, I think there are limited test centers, and you have to physically go there, and your IDs will be checked, and you'll be provided a system over there in which you have to attempt your exam, or which you have to proceed with your exam. So in this one, like, again, it's I'll say little, not that much flexible, but for the areas where, like, if you don't have the proper internet connection at your home available with you, or any laptop issues there, so this one is pretty good option at that time. But again, you have to give extra time for this, because as you have to go to that center and attempt this certification or the exam over there. So the other one is the OnVUE, online with OnVUE option. So this is the online option where you can give the examination online, and till now, like, again, I have used this one mostly because it's much more flexible and easy, and you can give the exam from your home or from your own space. So let's see what options we'll get. I click the option, and if you can see, so basically it will, firstly it will check your computer, so the laptop or the machine which you will use to give the exam. It will check all the connections and all the your internet connections, your video quality, video camera, and all that. It will run a system test, and it will make sure that your system is good for the exam. Your system is like, your configuration is as required by the exam. So yeah, so this one will check your system, and then again all these other options will be, or these steps will happen, where your testing space will also be checked. So the agent will be coming on the video call, and he'll be checking your space from where you will be giving the examination. So he'll check like all the four corners of your room, and like where you are sitting, your view also, like if there's not any other monitor or any electronic device around you. So like this step will happen mostly when you will be attempting the exam, when the your actual exam will happen. So this test, like, you just have to run before, so you can see like if there are no issues with your laptop or machine. And then your photo ID will be checked, so basically like your PAN card or the any other photo ID which is there, so they will just verify it on the video call. And yeah, so this will keep your system check. So like, let's see, like if I press the next button, so yeah, so basically it will show me like once all those steps are completed, so it will show me this page where I have to check like all these check boxes. There's no other option. And then it's showing me all the other details, like what can happen and what are the things you need to be ready with before the exam. And yeah, so again, this is a detailed all the minor details are there, like you can go through it later. And yeah, so the good thing is that you can reschedule also your exam. So reschedule can be done like again a few hours before your actual exam, or yeah, and also it can happen, or you can do the rescheduling like I think max 3 times. So after that the exam or the fees will be deducted, and there will be no option for you to apply or attempt that exam. So basically you will have to again reschedule it or take a new appointment. So that will be there. And yeah, so like again it will be pretty easy if we say. So let's see if I take all these check boxes. So the next option, if I'll able to show you. So yeah, so I have checked all the check boxes which are there. I'll proceed with the agree. And again it will ask me to the language, like which I want the examination and the agent to speak in. So I have already by default it selects as English. Now it's checking my time zone, so in which time zone I am currently. So it's Asia, Kolkata for me. So I'll say yes, that's right. And then you can see the calendar. So these highlighted ones are these active dates which I can see, right? So like in these dates only the available slots are there. So for example, if I have selected 20, so which is today, so see, like again explore more. So these are the appointments which are available. So as we can see, the 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. there are no times, like this time has already passed. So basically for evening there are 2 times available. For night also 1 time slot is available. So by this you can just check your time slot and you can proceed with the book this appointment part. So once you reach the book this appointment, okay, some error occurred. Okay, let me select some another date. So for example, I have taken this one and it's showing me this appointment which is available. So let's see, I'll proceed with this. And okay, requires 1 year between appointment and retaking. Okay, some other issue has come up, I think. But anyway, once that is done, so basically it will show you the checkout page where you have to pay the fee. And once your fees is paid over there, so your appointment will be confirmed and you will be able to proceed with your exam on the exam day. So yeah, so this was the overview for the steps or the process, like how exactly to give your or book your certification on the Pearson VUE and how to proceed with that. And if any queries are there, please do let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to help you guys with any more information if needed. Yeah, so this is all for now. Thank you guys. Thank you.